Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we getting straight to it. We talking about getting paid to watch YouTube videos. Is this a real thing? Is it legit? Is it possible? Here's my take on it. Mainly the reason why I'm doing this video is because I recently seen a couple products launched on I think Warrior Plus form, right? And they're based around the whole theory of being able to make money just by watching YouTube videos, right? Not only that, getting paid to, listen to music, So I didn't get the courses, but I actually looked into them to see, all right, what is this about? What is this? I know my thoughts on it, but if there's a course on it, maybe I'm missing something. So I looked at some reviews of these new courses and systems, and it pretty much was what I thought it was. Complete and utter BS. All right, so the point of this video is, all right, I'm gonna keep it real. As of today, right, 2021 November, there is no legit system or website out there that will pay you part-time or full-time income just by watching YouTube videos, really by watching any type of videos. So I'm telling you to be aware of any system that costs you money that says, oh, we're gonna show you how to make $300 a day just by watching YouTube. We're gonna show you how to make $20 every song you listen to on Spot. That's all BS. That's garbage. I'm gonna keep it real. It's garbage. Don't fall for that because it's not legit. It's not saying it's not legit, but it's not real. Now, can you make any sort of money by watching videos? Yeah, actually you can. It's these little micro sites that they will actually pay you to watch a certain amount of a video, right? So you might be thinking, dude, I thought you said that don't exist. You know how much you get paid for doing this on these little micro sites? You might get paid 2 cents. That's right, not dollars. 2 cents to watch a 30 seconds of a video or 1 minute of a video, right? So if you consider that making money, getting paid to watch videos, then okay. But you got to ask yourself, how many videos do you got to watch a day to make the amount of money that these systems are claiming that you can make by watching YouTube videos or listening to Spotify? You got to ask yourself, really? I listen to Spotify every single day for an hour and a half, right? So if it was a way out there to make money by listening to songs, I should be a multi-millionaire just off of Spotify, just by working out, listening to the music I love, right? So that's garbage. So yeah, if you're searching, you watching the video, and you really been watching other videos or thinking you can get paid just by watching YouTube videos, it ain't real. All right, there's a lot of other ways that you can make real money online, legit money, and a full-time income, right? But getting paid to watch YouTube videos is not one of them. Peace.